Hey guys, welcome back to our class. It's me Lil J and she's Kesha, and we are here to give you step-by-step tutorial on the song Pani Pani by Badshah and Asta Gill.
As always, we will be just teaching you the steps on counts. If you want to compare them on music, the link of the video is given up and also in the description. So let's go.
Hey guys, I'll be teaching you the first part of the tutorial. The second half will be taught by Kesha. Okay, so let's begin the first part. So first part, start by position 2. Okay, just take your hand up. 1, 2, step, step. Okay, again 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, step. Okay, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. In the third step, you go 1, 2. Third step, just take your hand up. 4. Okay, again 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, back. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Just hit it back. Okay, we've done some of the partner work. Okay, so I'll be teaching you my part of the video. Okay, so you can follow me. Again 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, step, side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. Hit it. Turn. Okay, then you take your left hand up. 1, 2, 3 and turn. Okay, just take 3 waves downwards. 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, take your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just look towards your hand. Right hand, forward, roll, step. Okay, let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hand. 8. 1. Hit. Turn. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After this, now you finish. Right hand. Okay, again right hand, left hand, step, and take your right hand. 1, hit up, 2, turn. 3 breaks. Just your pelvis, shoulder, and turn, audience. Okay, again let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got the first half? Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hit it, turn, step, wave, 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 turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Clear? That's it for the first half. Okay, I'll just try to tell you on the lyrics. The step was उसने मुझे something छुआ भी नहीं. Okay, then hit, turn, wave, 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 audience. नजर थी पैनी हुई बेचैनी. Okay, then you go right hand, left hand, turn. Okay, one by one, right, left, turn. Then you take it down, turn back. 1, 2, 3. Again switch to the audience. Walk, walk, step. Okay, there are 3 steps. You go right, left, in, drop, turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn back. 1, 2, 3. Take your right leg inside. Then you go 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, step. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go right hand, left hand, up. 1, pulse, pulse, kick, and forward, and. Okay, again 5, 6, 7. Go right, left, up, drop, pulse, pulse, kick, and forward, and hit back. While hitting back, just kick your right leg inside and take your left leg back. 1, step, and 1, 2. Your knee should be facing inside and your heel should be facing outside. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it from here. 1, 2, step, hit, in, kick, and step, and 1, step, step, 1, 2, 1, 2, tap, 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 tap. With our body work. 1, 2, 3, 5, hit and. Clear? Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, hit it. 1, and wave, wave, wave. Turn, 1, 2, roll, and 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step in, drop, 1, 2, 3, turn, 1, 2, 3, inside, 1, 2, 3, step, pulse, pulse, kick and step, 1 out, in, 1, 2, 1, tap, 2, tap, roll, hit and. Perfect. This was 2 parts of this first part, okay? Let's proceed with the third part. So you finish 1, hit and. Okay, now you go 1, okay, with that 1, your knees facing towards the right side, 1, 2, 3, up and down, take it up and down, on your toes, in and back to the place, okay, 5, 6, 7, go, knee facing outside, down, turn, up, down, with that your hand is also moving up, down, wave to the left side, wave to the right side, okay, let's go, 5, 6, 7, go, 1, 2, 3, up, drop, 1, 2, side, just take your hand inside, hit your left hand to the right hand, 1, 2, okay, again, 5, 6, you finish, left, right, in, just hit your left hand, 1, 2, left shoulder, right shoulder, look towards your right hand while taking your right leg out. Again, this is a bit complex, but I'll try to teach it more detailed. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, up, step, 1, 2, in, hit, and left, right, down. Look towards your right hand, change your hand, neck down and up. Okay, from your neck goes down and up. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, hit and step, step, in, tuck, tuck, 1 and 2, step and hold it over here. Now from here, wave, wave, hold on. Okay, just switch it over here, right side, left shoulder and back. First towards your right waist, left shoulder, back and open. Okay, from here you just take it inside. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, up, drop, left, right, in, step, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and now tap your left leg outside with your hand outside. Okay, just pop up. 1, 2, again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, step, and. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, forward, wave, and 1, take your left leg out, 1, and step. Your shoulders coming right, shoulders coming up, tap your right leg twice, 1, 2, and switch. Okay, let's do it from here again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, step, and left, right, in, step, step, 1 and hand, 2 and hit, 1, 2, 3 and hit, wave and out, roll out, in, step, tuck, tuck, and. Hope you're getting it. Let's do it again. It's a bit tricky, but you'll get it sooner. Let's try 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and step, left, right, in, step, and 1 and 2, step and hit, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, step and in, 1 and hit, step, 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 and. After this, let's proceed. Your right leg goes up, up, okay, twice your right leg goes 1, 2, step, step. After you do 1, 2, tap your right, left, hand inside, bend towards your right leg, bend your left leg and come up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And then you take your hand inside. On the 4th count, your hand comes inside. That goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, up, stop, left, right, in, step, and 1 and 2, step and up, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, wave and step, 1 and 2, step, hit, 1, step, 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 and out, 1, 2, 3, up. After this, we did a partner walk, but I'll show you We can do both ways. 1, take your hand up, 1, hit it towards your neck, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, 1, hit, step, step. 1 and 2. While you do 1 and 2, step, walk, stop, neck and slide back. That's it. That's it for the last half of this part, okay? So we'll do it again from here. I'll show it again in the detailed way. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, step, stop, left, right, in, step, and left, right, hand, 1, up, 2, step, 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 and shoulder, step, wave out, and 1 step, and 1, hit, 2, step, step, left, right, hand, right, left, up, stop, 1, hit, 1, 2, step, step, and 1 and 2, walk, give a neck and slide back. Okay, so let's do it from the top. Let's see, okay? The first step was from the position 2, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, hit, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, roll, and, okay? 1, 2, roll, and, hand, after you go, hand, 1 and 2, okay? Right, left, in, drop, walk, turn, walk, position 2, and 1, 2, stop, and pull, hit, and step, kick out, in, 1, 2, left, down, right, down, roll, and step, 1 and 2, step, and left, right, in, step, and 1 and 2, step, and out, right, left, in, stop, 1, 2, wave, step, and 1, out, in, step, hit, 1, step, right, left, in, 1, 2, 3, stop, after you finish, 1, 2, 3, stop, immediately, hit, step, right, left, 1 and 2, walk, step, look and slide back. Okay, this was it for the first part of this video. I'll hand it over to Kesha now. See ya.
I hope you have got the first part because we won't be revising it again. If you have got that perfectly, then only you can jump to your second part. So, you have finished your first part over here, you have finished the slide. Now there comes a drop beat. So on that beat, you just have to take your hand up. Take your right hand up and your left hand will be on your elbow. With that, you will go wave up, and also you have to take your body wave behind. That goes wave, and take your body inside and kick with your right leg up. So it goes kick, take your leg inside, take your left leg out. With that, your hands will go forward and hit down. Again, you have finished your slide, beat, wave, down, kick, shuffle, step, then wave to your left side, wave and hit your shoulders forward twice. That goes hit. Then from here, just take a slide to your right side, tap your left leg forward, come behind and tap your right leg. Let's revise it again. You finished your slide, beat, wave, drop inside, kick, bounce. When you finish your kick, you have to quickly do this step. That goes 1, bounce, wave, bounce, slide, step. Then when you finish this part, you have to take 2 waves, and with that you take your right leg inside. That goes wave. Now when you finish this, you have to do the same step which they have did in the song. That goes up. So you have to move your pelvis part towards your left side. That goes wave and wave 4 times. With that, take your left hand up and you have to cut inside out. Again, with that you will do your pelvis part, that goes wave and wave. On the second time, you have to do hit, drop, drop. Let's do it again. That goes wave and wave, hit, beat, beat. Now, after this, you can just take one circle. In the video, me and Lil J are shifting our places. So you can just take a circle if you are doing a solo part. Clear? Now you finish your circle. Now comes the wrap portion. On that, you are starting with your position 1, facing towards your left diagonal. Lift your right leg inside, take your left leg forward, hit your right hand up and take it behind. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go roll, forward, back. Now, tap your right leg. With that, your hands will go cross and open. So when you will place your left leg, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and step. Now, while doing the cross, you have to place your left leg, not right leg. It goes cross, open. Now your left hand is over there only. Your right hand is holding a glass. Pretend that you are holding a glass and you go up, down. Let's revise it again from the wrap portion. It starts from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2 and tap, open, hit and. When you finish this, take your left leg inside and hit your pelvis behind. That goes behind, behind 2 times. With that, your left hand goes up and your right hand goes up with your shoulder, till your shoulder. That goes left hand and right hand. With that, you have to pulse behind. Even you finish your up and behind, behind. Now, take your left leg forward and go pulse, pulse. Jump on your both legs behind. Take your right leg forward. Lift your left leg and go back, back. Again from the start, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2 and 3 and top, top, behind, behind, pulse, pulse. Now, after this, there is a very quick step. Jump, take your right leg forward, left leg up, again take your left leg behind, that goes wave, wave. So that goes jump, right, left, left, right. Clear? Let's do it again from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2 and 3 and beat, left, right, pulse, pulse, jump and up, wave, wave. When you finish here, tap your left leg. With that, you hit your pelvis to your left side twice. That goes left and left, reverse. You finish your pelvis part till right side. That goes hit and hit step. With that, your hand will go from up to down. That goes 1 and 2 and. Now, when you finish this, take your left leg behind and take a cross, cross, and take your right leg behind. Tap your left leg and slide forward, slide. Your hand will just slide from your lips. So you finish your part here, roll, step. Now goes left and left. So you have to take your left leg first behind, left, right, tap your left leg and slide forward. When you finish this step, tap your right leg. With that, you will count 1, 2, 3. Then you start with the next step. Again, revise the wrap part. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2 and 3 and step and left, right, pulse, pulse, jump and step, wave, wave, hit, hit and cross, right, left, slide, 1, 2, 3. Now, place your left hand here, up, lift your right leg forward, hit and. With that, you will just pulse your body forward. That goes 1 and 2 and. With that, you have to cross your right hand, 1 and 2. So it goes 1, 2 and take your right hand from down with a running position. Now, in this position, you have to pulse 2 times. That goes pulse, pulse and take your right hand and just turn your body. Let's do it again from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2 and cross, step and forward, 1, 2, 3, hit and pulse, step. Let's do it again, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, and from the start, from the wrap portion, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, and 3, and step, left, right, pulse, step, and up, roll, 1, 2, left, right, and step, 1, 2, 3, and step, hit, and now. You have to twist your right leg inside twice. That goes in and in, up. With that, take your hands over here. You have to go 1 and 2. It goes, you take your right leg inside, hit it outwards 2 times. That goes twist, right, left, and hit. Let's do it again. You finish your part. 1, 2 from here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, and cross, right, left, forward, 1, 2, 3, hit, bounce, turn, take your right leg inside and hit it 2 times, 1, 2, with that your hand will go down and right, left, with your right hand down, left hand up, hit, then right, left, with your right hand, tap your left leg, 1, and with your left hand, tap your left leg, right leg, then you go down, twist your knees inside, then you have to roll your hand outwards 2 times, roll. On the first roll, you have to do the point part. That goes 1, 2, reverse, step. Again, you finish your part over here. 1, 2, and slide. From here we'll revise it, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, hit, bounce, turn and down, right, left, hit. Then you go step, down. At that time your elbows goes up and your knees goes inside. Now with your hand pad, your knee goes outside. You are hitting your knee 2 times. 1, 2. Then again roll inside and step. On this last step you have to take a slide to your left. That goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your left hand down and just do yes. Just nod your head up. Then take a turn on your left leg and take a exit from here. Let's revise the second part. Your first part have finished till here. Now comes the second part. 5, 6, 7. Go beat, wave. Take your right leg inside. Kick, bounce, wave, bounce, side, tap, wave. 1, 2, 1 and tuck. Then take a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now comes the wrap part. It goes 1, 2 and cross and up, left, right, pulse, jump and take your left leg up, wave. Now go on your side, left and back, right leg, tap, forward. Now 1, 2, 3, hit, bounce, turn and down, right, left, step, 1 and 2, roll, out and step, neck and exit. So these were the steps of our choreography. Hope you have got them all. Practice it, perform it, shoot your own video and share it with us. Till then,
Bye bye. See you. Take care.